evening. Welcome to the Daily Stock Market Update. The DSCX remained flat today, marginally losing 3.32 points or 0.05% and settled at 6,697 points. Market turnover was 6.45 billion taka, which is a decrease of 1.75% compared to the last trading day. Grameenphone and Bangladesh Submarine Cable Company from the telecom sector, Walton and Berger Paints from the industrial sector, and IDLC Finance and IPDC Finance from the NBFI sector mainly dragged the market down today. On the other hand, United Power and Linde Bangladesh from the fuel and power sector, Pubali Bank and NRBC Bank from the banking sector, and Zahin Spinning and Wawel Textiles from the textile sector pulled the market up today, keeping the market flat. In terms of sector-wise return, the textile sector registered the highest gain of 0.69%, while the fuel and power sector posted the second highest gain of 0.33%. On the other hand, the telecom sector registered the highest loss of 1.24%. 5 industrial companies and 4 textile companies were among the top 20 losers today. Usmania Glass Sheet, Savar Refractories and Jute Spinners registered the highest gain, while NCCBL Mutual Fund 1, Far East Finance and Investment and Associated Oxygen were the top losers. Associated Oxygen fell in value due to dividend adjustment as it resumed trading today after its record date. There was no price-sensitive information for the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Jute Spinners, Meghna Pet Industries and Savar Refractories increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of the above-mentioned stocks. Today's top 2 news. High volume of work orders and rise in unit price in the apparel sector pushed February's exports receipts up by 34.54%, raking in USD 4.29 billion. This is the highest amount out of all of February's export earnings in the previous 10 years. So far, in the first 8 months of the current fiscal year, exports have registered a growth of 30.86% year-on-year and also surpassed the target number by 16.5%. Even though the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war continues to remain a concern, a high volume of work orders has already been booked, which will drive growth in the upcoming days. The central bank recently expressed concern in its recently published monetary policy review that soaring global commodity prices, supply shock and rising shipping costs may have a spillover effect in the domestic market. This may cause inflation to cross the inflation target of 5.30% set by the central bank for the running fiscal year. Point-to-point inflation has already increased to 6.05% in December 2021, while the 12-month average CPI inflation has increased to 5.55%, fueled by the increase in price of non-food components. This price pressure might stay a little longer as global commodity prices keep rising amid the geopolitical conflicts due to the Russia-Ukraine war. That's all for today. We will be back again next week with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow Alert Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.